Hello guys, today we'll see how to install a Splunk image or a Splunk instance into the Debian server. Sorry, not a Debian, it's an Ubuntu server. Okay, in last videos we have installed the Ubuntu server and I have taken a putty here. So to download or to get the image, so just go to the Google and create or type a Splunk free. Once you search for a Splunk free, you will get a first page and click or open this page. Okay, so once you open this page, you will land in this in this page, or you will get a option to create an account. Just create an account and log into your account, and in that, if you click on free trial and download pages, if once you click here, you will get one more page where you can see the options to download the Splunk instance, which is a Splunk enterprise instance, and you can click on that. So it will the file will start to download. In my case, I have already downloaded, which is I have a Ubuntu server, so I have downloaded the .debian file for this Splunk instance, and or you will get a on the same page you will get this URL, so you can just copy and paste into the your Ubuntu server. So once you enter this, it will start downloading this file from the Ubuntu website. Before downloading that or after downloading that, don't install the this .deb file, Splunk .deb file. Just update the server using the command apt-get update. Okay, so now as of now it is downloading. I'll stop this video till it get fully downloaded. Once the .deb file download, we'll install the Splunk instance into the Debian server. Okay, so file has been downloaded, and let's check the file. If you do the ls, you can see the file is downloaded. And now to install this .debian file in Ubuntu, you have the command dpkg-i and the file name, just enter. Okay, so it will unpackage and it will install the .debian Splunk enterprise instance in the Ubuntu server. So meanwhile, pause again. Okay, the installation or the dpkg of this file has been completed. Now, if you check the status, so any instance or anything if you want to install on a any Ubuntu or a Linux server, the path will be in opt and the name of the instance. Okay, here it's a Splunk, so opt Splunk bin Splunk, and now check the status. So it is asking for the trial license. So I'm just I'll accept the whatever the trial license or the agreement it is showing here. So I'll just go at the end. Okay, so I'll do as an S and yes, and this username is for the Splunk instance. Okay, so I'm configuring this username as an admin. Password I'm giving admin. Okay, it's not matching. I'll enter the password once again. Okay, so instant has been installed. To check the status, just click once again the same command, and we'll do. It's not running, so wait for a few seconds. Okay, still not running. Then click as in start. Okay, so the instant is starting on port number 8000. Okay, the instance is started on port number 8000. Let's check once again the status. Okay, now you can see the Splunk is running and Splunk helpers are running. These are the PIDs related to the Splunks. Okay, so now check the IP address again. So IP address is this one on port number 8000. The Splunk instance is running. So I'll just go to my browser and type HTTP and the IP address colon 8000. Now you can see you are able to access the Splunk enterprise. I'll just type my username and password, which I have given while installing the Splunk instance. Okay, now you can see you are able to log in into the Splunk. So this is a Splunk instance. We'll check all these features in another video. Thank you.